Hi guys, welcome to Dream Job online classes. Today I am going to discuss about electrical subject which related to cells and battery objective type questions. It is very important to all technical examinations used ITI and diploma candidates. Mostly SSC, JEE examinations, naval dockyard technical technicians and etc. So coming to our class, there are lot of topics. So today I am discussing some more topics with you. So start with first question. First question: which device converts sunlight into electrical energy? There are four options, and the right one is photovoltaic cell. Here LCD and light emitting diode, light dependent resistors are the options they given. But in some more questions you will get another point in abbreviations like LCD, LED and LDR. The second question: which law secondary cell works? That is Faraday's law of electrolysis. Coming to third question, what is the formula to calculate the mass deposited during electrolysis? The option is B, that is M equal to ZIT GM. Okay, coming to fourth question, how the capacity of batteries is specified? The correct answer is ampere hour. And coming to fifth question, what is the name of defect that bending of plates in secondary cell? That is option A, buckling. Coming to sixth question, what is the unit of electric charge? That is coulombs. Here they given volt. Volt is the unit for voltage and watt is the power and ampere is the unit for current. Okay. Then coming to seventh question, what is the output voltage of lithium cell? That is option D, means 2.5 volts. Commonly for a cell it is 1.5, but here lithium cell is 2.5. Next, eighth question, what is the method of charging if the battery is to be charged for short duration at higher rate? That is boost charger. Okay, coming to ninth question, which electrolyte used in carbon zinc dry cell? That is option B, means ammonium chloride. Coming to 10th question, which effect causes by passing electric current in liquids? That is chemical. Okay. Next, coming to 11th question, which material is used to make negative plates in lead acid battery? That is lead oxide. Sorry. 11th question. That is sponge lead. Next, coming to 12th question, which technique is used to control the corrosion of a metal surface? Here the correct answer is cathodic protection. Coming to 13th question, which cell is most often used in digital watches? That is mercury. Next, coming to 14th question, what is the effect if one cell is connected with reverse polarity in a parallel combination circuit? Then we will get short circuited. Coming to 15th question, what is the function of fine selector switch in battery charger? That is option A, selection of current rating. And now going to 16th question, what is the effect on output power with respect to temperature? With respect to temperature in solar cells, and the right option is decrease with decrease in temperature. Next, coming to 17th question. What purpose of hydrometer is used during charging of battery? Here the right answer is determine the specific gravity of electrolyte. Now coming to 18th question. What is the formula for Faraday's first law of electrolysis? Here already we saw the formula. Here M equal to ZIT. Now coming to 19th question. Which is used as an electrolyte in lead acid battery? The correct answer is option D, diluted sulfuric acid. And coming to 20th question. What is the total voltage of circuit? Here each cell is 1.5 volts and they all are connected in parallel. Commonly in parallel voltage is same. So the answer is 1.5 volts. Coming to 21st question. What is the outcome at positive plate after the chemical reaction in lead acid battery during charging? So the right option is lead peroxide, that means PbO2. Coming to 22 question. Why the vent plug is kept open during charging of a battery? That is to escape the gas freely. Now coming to 23rd question. In which method the battery is charged at low current for long period? That is trickle charging method. Trickle charging means excessive charging. Next 24th question. How the hard sulfation defect in lead acid battery can be rectified? That is the recharging the battery for a longer period at low current. Now coming to 25th question. Which material is used as cathode, that is negative plate, electrode in silver oxide battery? That is zinc. Now coming to 26th question. What is the electrochemical equivalent of silver? That is option D, that means 1.1182 mg per coulomb. Coming to 27th question. What is the outcome of the chemical reaction that takes place in negative plate of lead acid battery during discharging? That is lead sulfate, means PbSO4. Here 28th question is what is the purpose of separator in lead acid battery? That is to avoid short in between the positive and negative plates. Coming to 29th question. Which instrument is used to measure the specific gravity of electrolyte in lead acid battery? That is hydrometer. And the 30th question is which type of inverter circuit? So the options are, this is the circuit they given, and the right one is here option B, SCR used inverter. Coming to 31st question. What is the effect of buckling defect in a lead acid battery? That is bending of the electrodes. And 32nd question. What is the total output voltage of the circuit? And this is the circuit. Here voltage is applied but the switch is open. So here the voltage is 4.5, that is the option D. Okay. Next 33rd question. Which is used as positive electrode in a dry cell? So that is carbon. 34th question. What happened to the terminal voltage of a cell if load is increases? That is, it decreases. Coming to the 35th question. How local action defect is prevented in voltaic cell? That is, by amalgamating the zinc plate. Next, coming to 36th question. What does the letter Z indicate in the formula M equal to Z by IT? That is, here the correct option is B, ECE of electrolyte. Coming to next question. What is the electrochemical equivalent of copper? That is, option A, means 0.329 mg per coulomb. And next question. Which is the cause for buckling defect in lead acid battery? The correct option is A, means overcharging or over discharging. Coming to next question. Which apparatus is used to check the charging condition of voltage in battery? That is, option D, means high rate discharge tester. Coming to last question. Which part is losing? Coming to next question. Which part is losing electron during electrolysis? The option is B, means anode. Thank you guys. I hope this video will help you to attempt all your exams. So if you like this video, you can